Hello everyone. Are you planning for a dental trip to Hanoi? Or have you already spent a few days in the city? Today, Lotus Dental Travel will bring you the ultimate guide of this constantly growing and most bustling city in Vietnam. In the center of the city, you can visit the Old French Quarter, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, and West Lake. Some best places for relaxing are Binh Minh Jazz Club, Cool Cat Jazz Club, Estiva Spa, and La Bella Spa. If you want to travel farther to the outskirts, there are Long Bien Golf Course, Bat Trang Ceramic Village, and Ba Bia National Park. And in case you have to wait a few days till the next appointment, traveling to the near towns and cities around Hanoi is a great option. Some suggestions are Tam Dao, Ninh Binh, Ha Long, and Sapa. 5-star hotels in Hanoi range from only $70 to $200 per night. Intercontinental Hanoi Westlake, Lotte Hotel Hanoi, Apricot Hotel and Sheraton Hotel are some of the suggested names. Famous 4-star hotels in Hanoi are Muang Thang Hotel, La Siesta Hotel, and the Palmy Hotel. Homestay apartment is also a choice for dental tourists, because your treatment might last for 1 or 2 weeks. You can book the apartment on Agoda, Booking.com, Airbnb, or Luxstay, the network developed especially in Vietnam. The list of must-try foods in Hanoi includes pho, banh mi, sticky rice, spring roll, bún char, mixed rice paper, and fermented grilled pork. And don't forget the most unique, coffee. Egg coffee, black amp, brown coffee, and coconut coffee are on the menu of many long-standing coffee shops on Nguyen Hue Hoan Street near the Old Quarter. The best SIM card package for tourists is Viettel Tourists. Depends on how long you're planning to stay. The SIM lasts for 5 days to 25 days. You can buy cards with the subscribed plan with your passport at the nearest Viettel store around the hotel. Different dental procedures have different total cost. However, the average budget for other factors in a day is only around $126. This budget includes all 3 meals, transportation, accommodation, and entertaining activities. If you have reached the end of this guide, let's get going and planning your most meaningful stay in Hanoi now with Lotus Dental Travel.